welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Asteria hair. I did do the ball cap method and I did just use one layer of glue to achieve this laid lace. I am so in love with this wig from Asteria. This is their deep wave HD lace unit. It is a frontal unit in 250 density, and this is the pattern. This is what it gives. She's giving, and the hair is super full from the top to the bottom. Like, everything is perfect with this hair. I loved working with it. I love working with Asteria on a whole because they have such good quality wigs, such good quality lace, like nice deep clean parts. Everything is just perfect and super functional about Asteria's wigs. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit. And let's jump into the tutorial. So we are starting now on this wig from Asteria hair. So it's already bleached, plucked, and tinted with foundation on a brush, rubbed in. I use NARS because I started using NARS in the shade Marquise's.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time.
To remove my lace, I definitely need to put my glasses on, so I'm so sorry if you see a glare, but if I can't see, this install is gonna look crazy.
Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, just work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, just work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise.
So that's the last time I'm gonna be using my glasses, so let's just jump into baby hair.
Jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Work my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, just work my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, just work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. to me. You love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So my baby hairs took longer than usual because before this I was scrolling on TikTok and I seen this girl was doing how to do fluffy baby hairs because I was looking like to see should I do middle part or side part. I was very conflicted, but we're choosing the side part, and she showed the fluffy baby hair tutorial. I think I did pretty good for my first time trying to do the whole fluffy thing. I'm sure I could comb these out like after. It got movement to it, so I love it and I love the look. It's something new. Usually I flip them upwards. If you watch my videos, you know that's what I do, but this time I decided to do it under, and I just love the outcome. It's just so cute, messy, it's giving, and this hair is curly, so it's all the better perfect. I feel like I want to do some crazy stuff here, like baby hairs and all, but let me just let this lace melt because I did use a little bit of bolt hold on it, so I'm gonna just tie up the back or tie up the front with this band, and then I'm gonna get into detangling. But this is conditioner and water. That's all there is in this. Nothing more, nothing less. The conditioner is Nexus. I use it on my permed hair underneath, but I decided to use it because it's like super moisturizing and I love the outcome every time I use it. So it's just that and water. It's a really thick conditioner, so that's why this mixture is thick. I didn't put too much water, and this is the result. So I'm gonna just spray it all over my hair, use this diamond brush to detangle and all that good stuff. So let's get into that. So this is what you want to do. Just wet it down. Make sure you lift up the hair and you're getting inside of the middle and not just the top and bottom. Like, that's not how curly hair works, honey. And make sure you're getting your ends because these are like the most important parts.
Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nice try, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So you guys could see the full length of the hair. It is 30 inches and I'm loving it. It is super thick, so I know when it dries down it's gonna be big and it's gonna be so cute because it is deep wave. It is HD lace frontal, 250 density, 30 inches, and this is it. Like, I don't think I have anything bad to say about this hair. The shedding was very minimal. It is expected with all hair, honestly, but curly hair more than usual. But I found that this hair didn't shed too much. It was definitely some shedding, but not anything noticeable because the hair is 250 density. It's really thick. I would love to see some wand curls in this hair. Like, this hair is definitely super versatile and photo shoot friendly because it is HD lace, as well as the curl pattern, which allows you to do so much to it. You could blow it out, you could leave it like this, you could let it air dry or diffuse it. It's so much things you could do with this wig, honestly. So Asteria hair is definitely a one-stop shop for all your lace needs and more. The hairs that I've been getting from Asteria hair for the past year, 2021, has been nothing short of amazing. It is literally top tier hair, and every time I do a video for them, it's always some long hair because their long hair wigs are to die for. If you'd like to get your hands on this is definitely really affordable for 30 inches, and the lace was amazing to work with. Definitely click the links in the description box if you would like to do so. And that is it for today's video. I can't wait to go take some pictures in this unit. She's so pretty, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.